Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to present my work in general biology, the 10 different kinds of leaves. So, the first one is fern, or scientifically known as Tracheophyta, which belongs to the family of Polypodeaceae. The stems of the ferns range from erect to long creeping. The ferns are entire, pinnatifid, or variously forked or pinnate. The petioles lack stipules. The scaly rhizomes are generally creeping in nature. Polypodacea species are found in wet climates, most commonly in rainforest. In temperate zones, most species tend to be epiphytic or epipetric. Its shape and arrangement is even pinnate, and it has a margin of crenate, and the venation is pinnate. So the next one is the Codeum variegatum, or commonly known as San Francisco, which belongs to the family of Eupabeaceae. It is a tropical evergreen monoecious shrub growing to 3 meters tall and has large, thick, leathery, shiny evergreen leaves, alternately arranged 5 to 30 centimeters long and zero point 0.5 to 8 centimeters broad. It has a shape of ovate and a margin of sinnate, and its venation is cross-venulate. The third one is the oregano, or universally known as Coleus aromaticus, or commonly known as carabo, which belongs to the family of Lamiaceae. The Philippine oregano plant can grow up to 90 centimeters long, and the leaves can grow as big as a baby hand. The leaves are in the heart form and a bit hairy. Calabo is a perennial herbal medicine which is not only used by the local people in healing their coughs and colds, but also using the leaves in their cooking. The leaves are very aromatic and they have balsamic flavor. The shape of the leaves is obtuse. Its margin is dentate and has cross-venulate venation. The next one is the guava, or locally known as bayabas. It is scientifically known as Psidium guajava belong in the family of Myrtaceae. Widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, guava fruits can range in size from as small as a apricot to as large as a grapefruit. Various cultivars have white, pink, or red flesh. A few varieties feature red skin instead of green or yellow. The leaves has an elliptic shape and its margin is entire, while its venation is cross-venulate. The next one is the watery rose apple, or commonly known as water apple or tambis. It belongs to the family of Myrtaceae and scientifically known as Syzygium aqueum. Its wood is hard and can be used to make tools. The bark of the tree is sometimes used in herbal medicines. It is grown in orchards and gardens and parks as an ornamental plant. The leaves are edible and are sometimes used to wrap food. Its shape of the leaves are elliptic and it has a margin of entire and its venation is reticulate. The next one is avocado, or universally known as Persea americana, which belongs to the family of Lauraceae. Persea americana is a tree that grows to 20 meters with alternately arranged leaves 15 to 25 centimeter long. Panicles of flowers with deciduous bracts arise from new growth or the axils of leaves. The flowers are inconspicuous greenish yellow, 5 to 10 millimeters wide. Its shape is cuneate and its margin is undulate and has a venation of arcuate. The next one is durian, or scientifically known as Durio zibithinus, which belongs to the family of Malvaceae. Durian trees are large, growing to 25 to 50 meters in height, depending on the species. The leaves are evergreen, elliptic to oblong, and 10 to 18 centimeters long. The flowers are produced in 3 to 30 clusters together on large branches and directly on the trunk. The shape of its leaves are elliptic and has entire margin and cross-venulate venation. The next one is rose, or commonly known as shrub rose, which has the scientific name of Rosa that belongs to the family of Rosaceae. Its description is it is a class of hardy easy care plants. Some shrub roses make good ground covers, while others work well to form hedges or screening in the landscape. Its shape is obtuse, and its margin is serrate and has reticulate venation. The next one is bitter melon, or commonly known as ampalaya. It has the scientific name of Momordica carrantia that belongs to the family of Cucurbitaceae. This herbaceous tendril-bearing vine grows up to 5 meters in length. It bears simple alternate leaves, 4 to 12 centimeters across with 3 to 7 deeply separated lobes. Each plant bears separate yellow male and female flowers. Its shape is lobe and has a margin of lacerate and cross-venulate venation. And the last one is the calamansi, which has a scientific name of Citrofortonella microcarpa that belongs to the family of Protaceae, or commonly known as Philippine lemon. It is a shrub or small tree growing to 3 to 6 meter. The plant is characterized by wing-like appendages on the leaf petioles and white or purplish flowers. The fruit of the calamansi resembles a small, round lime, usually 25 to 35 millimeters in diameter, but sometimes up to 45 millimeter. Its shape is obtuse and has a margin of denticulate and cross-venulate venation. And that is all. Thank you.